Sunday 10th of December, which will start at 9 a.m. This event is the 6th edition of chess. We had started this in 2017, and after so much success and so many participation, we are doing this for the 6th time. So I like to request Pradeep Lad to give the details about the registration of this event.
First position will get 10,000 cash prize plus trophy. Second position will get 7,000 plus trophy, and third position will get 5,000 plus trophy. Now till the prize is till 15th, we have cash prizes plus medal and trophy each. And there are special trophies which we have kept, that is for top two contenders for of all Goa category prizes for boys and girls for under 7, under 9, under 11, under 13 and under 15 category. Again we have a special set of trophies for Bicholim Taluka category for boys and girls, again for under 7 till under 15. And we have a special prize for veteran who will be participating in Battle of Mind 6.0. So I am looking forward for great number of participation this year, and I also wish my team a great success.
Submitted to Chief Arbiter Arvind Mamal, whose mobile number is given 9422386547. They have to register by 9th of December latest.